Are you losing customers because they can't reach you instantly on your Shopify store? Today, I'll show you how to fix that in minutes by adding a WhatsApp chat button so visitors can contact you immediately. If you missed my previous Shopify Golden tutorials, no worries. You can check the playlist link in the description and catch up. Now, let's get into the video. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once inside, go to the left-hand menu and click Apps. Step 2. In the Apps section, search for WhatsApp chat. Click on Chat Me, WhatsApp chat, then click Install. Step 3. After installing, go to Online Store Themes Customize. Enable the Chat Me app under App Embeds and click Save. Step 4. Click on WhatsApp Contact Settings. Enter your country code and WhatsApp number. Then click Save. This links the chat button to your WhatsApp account. Now, let's test your WhatsApp chat. Click the three dots in the top left and select View to open your live store. You'll see the WhatsApp chat icon on the page. Click it. Two options will appear: Open app or Continue to WhatsApp web. Choose Continue to WhatsApp web. Here, you can either scan the QR code using your mobile WhatsApp app or log in with your phone number. Once connected, you can start chatting directly from your store. And that's it. Your Shopify store now has a working WhatsApp chat button, easy and ready for your customers. If you want personalized help getting your Shopify store set up or optimized, you can book a free call, link in the description. Pick a time, tell me what to discuss, and we'll connect. Or if WhatsApp is easier, just click the link and ask your question directly. And don't forget, like this video, share it, and subscribe for more Shopify tips.